I'm starting Anya. I'm Harita and I'm currently pursuing my BTech in CSC at Lindy Institute of Engineering and Technology. Firstly, thank you for Anya for accepting my invitation. And can you please introduce yourself briefly?
Okay, Harita. I will introduce myself. Um, I'm Akshay from EC, fourth year, pursuing my fourth year BTech degree in Lady Institute of Engineering and Technology, and currently in search of jobs that are in our placements. So
Uh,
up to now, I attended three interviews and qualified all the rounds and that. So I'm exploring myself to get a better job.
okay. Firstly, why did you choose this BTech and that too in CSEC? For which
That's a very good
purpose?
question to start. Um, the purpose is we know that engineering is not a subject. Engineering is way of life.
Yes.
So when when we choose engineering, it is not about the course we complete or the degree we possess. It is about how to crack a thing or how to know a thing, how to build a thing. It is engineering. And for choosing specifically ECE, electronics and communications, the motive is everything we use is an electronic device, and everything we
Yes.
process, then we talk, everything is about systems and controls and communications. So when everything is around us is based on one subject, why can't we learn that subject? It is the main motto of selecting ECE and engineering.
Yes.
Nothing more
Okay.
than that.
Okay. And why? Which side do you like software or hardware?
Yeah, software and hardware are like heart and body of technology. We cannot say software is the better one or the hardware is the better one, but I
Yes.
have some partiality and some bias on hardware as we learn more about hardware and very less about software. So I want
Okay.
to tell you that hardware is my favorite, but I don't discriminate the software.
Okay. Have you tell that you face some interviews? Can you describe
Yes,
your first interview experience?
yeah, that's as it you mentioned as the my first interview, I felt a bit
Yes.
tensed and worried what questions they might ask, how I should answer, how I should behave. When I entered into the interview in the cabin, I felt very tense. I even forgot the answers for the questions they asked.
Oh,
So from the second interview, the English lab helped me very much in facing the interviews. I went into some mock interviews in English lab, so it helped me a lot from the next interviews.
okay. Can you explain your some you feel like it's the failure in your interview?
Yeah, the only thing I felt back or lacking behind is my preparation. I
Okay.
personally feel I prepared very less for the thing I wanted to be. So from the next interview of next company, I prepared myself and I prepared some stuff. I went on checking multiple platforms, multiple AI websites, or multiple browsers. I went through to search the some I to get the knowledge. After
Okay.
acquiring the knowledge, I practiced it thoroughly, and I discussed it with my friends because every person have different perspectives. By sharing our perspectives, we can get more knowledge. So
Yes.
in this method, I prepared and I went to the next interviews and I got success.
Okay. And which quality do you think it will give you boost up to your interviews and
Mm.
grab to job?
Apart from jobs and interview, I like
Okay.
my favorite quality of mine is creativity. Like everyone here came to do engineering in ECE with I'm talking about my classmate itself.
Okay.
ECE. What is different in you? There should be some unique quality that you should have that is creativity. When you
Yes.
have a creative mind, you can stand out. everyone will design the same thing, but you should create something new.
Innovative.
You will stand out from everyone. Uh, for example, I will take myself as an example. My friends have a goal to be a software engineer or a hardware engineer. As a creative thing, I have a goal of being a director or a story writer for cinemas. So,
Okay.
I think going with the flow is also a good thing. But in the flow, you should be someone who creates a different path in the flow. So you can have a better opportunities. You'll be stand out. You will be recognized by the people. So you'll be picked fast.
Yes. Okay. Can you describe what question you feel like you give your best in the interview, in previous interviews?
Yeah, yeah. That's There are a few questions. Uh, as being a writer, I communicate with different people from the world and from different places. I know multiple languages, and it helps me. I know people from different areas and different perspectives, and this made me a person who can communicate in any area and any place. So this made me stand out or look better from others in my class. So I choose this.
And can you suggest me and also juniors some technologies which rule this market in this time?
Okay. Um, there are nothing others that you know. You know about AI. AI is replacing. They are telling AI is replacing jobs. AI may replace some jobs, but not all jobs. So learning
Okay.
AI prompting, like prompt engineering, learning AI machine learning, will will be very better or helpful for you. Or in the creative fields, create AI cannot create something new. AI can only take from some existing things. So to build a new thing or a creative thing, we need a human brains. So um, develop some creative learning. So it
Okay.
will be very helpful in the future.
And what is the biggest lesson which you learn from your interviews? Like you face some
The
failures, right?
biggest lesson, yeah, yeah. In the first, from the first interview, I learned about how much knowledge you have in the mind will not matter when you don't talk about it. So
Okay.
when
Yes.
you put it out with your knowledge, like when you communicate, when you transfer the knowledge through your words, your way, then only people will know that you have knowledge. Otherwise, they won't recognize you. They won't. They won't know. They wouldn't know you would have a knowledge. If you
Yes.
don't ask me about this, you wouldn't know I faced an interview like this, right? In the same way, if we don't talk or exhibit our knowledge in a proper communicative way, they don't understand us. So I learned it
Yes.
from the first interview. So it helped me in the next interviews.
Okay. And as you are our college, and how did you help to communication labs like English lab
Yeah,
to
English
face your
lab.
interviews in real life situations?
Uh, English lab is one of my favorite lab, and
Okay.
everyone there. I know everyone there. Uh, Everyone there also knows me. Um, I am at starting. I'm an introvert. I really don't speak at all. I don't know even I'm not better at English. English lab improved me and built confidence in me. Jam sessions and whatnot. Especially I like the picture perspective description and group discussion.
Yes.
From
I
that
have to.
from that I learned to accept the points from others. Okay,
Yes.
how the if we see a situation that may not be same for everyone, everyone will look at their perspective and they share about it. So by this I learned so many things in my life. Relations, in a relation with friends or partners, they will share their opinion or they will share their perspective. We should we should accept it, and then we should talk according to it. If we don't listen or if we don't talk according to it, it ruins. So English lab is not just a lab for English communication. It's about communication in a good way. So
Yes,
I like the lab very much.
I am also. And uh, can you describe your mistakes you make in your interviews? I will not repeat in my future. Like,
Okay, that you may not repeat in your future. First one is be confident. Don't be
yes,
overconfident. Just be confident as much as it should be. Be prepared for it. Um, if you think you don't have enough knowledge, don't show it to the interviewer. Be confident. Be like, whatever you know, exhibit it, whether it is right or wrong. Exhibit it with confidence. Confidence is the key to success. That's it.
yes. And as I am a CSC student, can you give which language will help to grab the job and which language do you like in software?
Okay, in software, I like Python because it is easy. That's it. And
Okay,
learning C will be learning C will be the
something
basic
more
thing
difficult.
for, and Java will be helpful in other backend. And I like Python because it is easy. That's it.
Okay, and thank you for this opportunity and thank you, Anya.